Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. This week I'll be sharing the recipe of the potato masala waffles. Give the good old aloo tikki a twist with this easy to cook recipe. To begin, in a large bowl, mix together 2 cups boiled and grated potatoes, 1 small onion finely chopped, 1-inch piece of ginger finely chopped, and 1 to 2 chopped green chilies. Next, add in the dry masalas, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons cumin powder jeera, 1.5 teaspoons coriander powder dhania, and 1.5 teaspoons amchur dry mango powder. Mix well. Now add in 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon oil, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour mixed with 1 tablespoon corn flour. Mix it well. Add a bit of milk if required so that the batter is of dropping consistency. Check the salt and add more if required. In the meantime, preheat the waffle iron. Finally, add a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon baking soda to the mixture. Mix well. Once the waffle iron is hot, grease it well with oil and pour in about a ladle full of batter depending on the size of the iron. Close the lid and cook until done. Do not attempt to open the lid to check before it's cooked or the waffles might disintegrate. I use an electric waffle iron and it takes about 15 minutes to cook. The potato masala waffles are ready to serve. Serve them hot with your favorite dip or chutney. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.